Hey guys, me Tim from My Life, My Hobbies. Today I'm with Mitchell, also known as Procuvy 1999. You've seen him in a couple more vlogs that happened this weekend. Show yourself. So basically, Mitchell's just like my best friend. We first met each other when I was like a week old. He's probably like 3 weeks old. So basically, our parents just his dad hung out all through elementary and stuff. So close families, yeah. So today we're gonna take the airsoft gun made from an Advil bottle and a Bic pen that we made in the last video. Now, if you didn't see that video, link down in the description. And you're gonna fill up your compressor. Yeah, 40 psi. So that's kind of works for us. And I'm going to unload this, reload it, then shoot a target.
I don't know where we're going to set the target up at.
Outside.
Alright, you might have to hold the camera.
I'll just go side. Right. So, halfway as normal. And so we have those two things ready. Here's our balloon. I will go set that up. And so like destroying stuff, I use a pen, a bottle. We'll just put it right here. See if they can see that. There.
Yep.
Okay. So we have those two things. Mitchell, for this. You take your airsoft gun that you made in the last video with us, your compressor.
Oh, that was right in the face.
And you aim it. You stick it in this hole. No pun intended. You aim it. You want to show the barrel?
Here, one sec. Your shadow is in the way. Alright. Whoa, it come back at me.
Doesn't want to shoot through that, so we'll try the pump one.
Ah, it's coming back.
I'm gonna finish this off.
As you can hear, that's a lot of power.
So, this video, we showed you the airsoft gun used with a compressor. You might want to crank your PSI up a bit, because that did not work very good. So, your air pressure probably needs to be up a bit more. It'll give it more feet per second, blah, 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 blah. It would pop the balloon, actually. So, anyways, end of the video. Look forward to my next video, and Procuvy 1999. Mitchell, do you want to say anything?
Look, check out my channel, guys, please.
Link down in the description. As again.